Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is comparing quantities. So in this chapter we are going to study about the ratios, and in the next we are going to study about the percentage. I mean, how to convert the fractions into percentage and how to convert the decimals into percentage. And after that we are going to study about the principal, rate, interest and amount. So all these things we are going to study in this chapter. So first thing is that ratio. So ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? All of you see here. A ratio is a comparison of two similar quantities. This word is a very important. Similar. A ratio is a comparison of two similar quantities using division. So what is the meaning of this? See here. If I am going to write one example here. Example 1 is to 2. So this symbol it indicates the ratio symbol. Okay. So here 1 is to 2. How to read this one? 1 is to 2. So this is the method to read the ratio. So it means this indicates, 1 indicates, if I take an example as apple, okay, apple, and if I take as a orange, okay. So what is the meaning of for this 1 is to 2 is that for an apple 2 oranges are there. For one apple or for an apple 2 oranges are there. For an apple 2 oranges are there. So meaning of this is 1 is to 2. As I explained, for one apple 2 oranges are there. So here the next one is that 2 is to 3. It is another example. How to read this one? 2 is to 3. So here this is regarding the definition of ratio and the example. Okay. And the next thing is that how to write a ratio in the form of fraction. For example, if I take this 1 is to 2 here, so this, how to write this in ratio fraction? 1 by 2. Similarly 2 is to 3, 2 by 3. So this is the method to write an ratio a ratio in the form of fraction. So this is regarding the introduction of the ratio. Understood all of you? Okay. The next thing is that equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. How to get the equivalent ratio? I take here the same one. 1 is to 2. So here first we have to write the ratio in the form of fraction. After that, for this fraction form ratio, we have to multiply both the upside and downside number by same number except 0. Okay, 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So again this fraction form we have to write in the form of ratio. So this 2 is to 4, it is the equivalent ratio of 1 is to 2. So understood all of you how to get the equivalent ratios? For the given ratio, first we have to write in the form of fraction, and what that fraction comes na, for that fraction, both for numerator and denominator we have to multiply by the same number except zeros. So what that the new fraction comes na, for that again we have to write in the form of ratios. So this 2 is to 4, it is equivalent ratio of 1 is to 2. Okay. And as I explained in the definition, a ratio is a comparison of two similar quantities. As I told here, similar means what? Similar means students, all of you see here 1 kg, okay, and 200 grams, okay. So here I took two quantities. One is 1 kg and another one 2 grams here. See students, to writing both these in the form of ratio like this, it is a wrong. So this is a wrong one. Why it is wrong? Because here the units are not same. Here it is a kg and here it is a gram. So writing directly both these in the form of a ratio, it is a wrong, because we have to make the quantities same here. Here one is the kg and here is the gram. If the quantities are different, to write both those datas in the form of ratio, it is wrong. So we have to make both these equal, okay. For example, 1 kg means how much it is? 1 kg means it is 1000 gram, okay. So again we have to write this one, 1000 is to 200. So now it is okay, because here both the units are same, 1000 grams and 200 grams. Both the quantities here becomes same here. So this is why I used the similar in the definition. So this is the clarification for that word. Understood all of you? So here take another example one. 1 liter and 5 liter. Here I took two two quantities here. So how to write both is in a fraction? In a ratio. 1:5. 1:5 here. We may directly write both these quantities 1:5, because both these quantities contain the same units, that is liter. So if the units are different, we have to make them as a same here like this. Understood all of you? Okay. So here this is the introduction about this chapter. So in the next session I am going to start the exercise. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.